The existing plant was built in 1968, and that's some decades ago. The infrastructure is aging, the generators are aging, and because of that, there are some concerns about reliability. And when you switch on your light, you want to see the light comes on, that your fridges are running, and other equipment as well. And that is why we need to build a new power plant here in Bequia to ensure that now and in the future, we can provide you with the reliable power that you need. To accomplish this, about 3 parcels of land around the existing power plant were purchased. These two lots to the west of the plant and 1 lot to the south of the plant. And the intention is to develop the new plant on these new parcels of land while we continue operating the old power plant to supply the needs of the island. What is proposed is that there will be a new powerhouse. The new powerhouse will contain 3 new generating units. These 3 new generators would replace all units that are not as reliable. We have 2 units that are existing, that are used, but they have not come to the end of their useful life. And therefore, we're not going to discard those units. We are going to transfer them to the new powerhouse, and they will be in operation until they have come to the end of their useful life, at which time they will be replaced. In addition to the generators, the proposal is to install a battery energy storage system. This battery energy storage system, the main function would be to provide what we call spinning reserve. And in short, spinning reserve is simply if one of the generators were to disconnect from the system for any reason, for any fault, that the battery would instantaneously take up that load until we can start a new generator. And that would improve the service that we offer to you, would improve the reliability of the system. In addition to that, the battery energy storage system will assist in removing the cap that presently exists in terms of PV installations on the island. Presently there's a cap. There are around 30 systems, PV systems owned by customers, operated by customers, by you on the island, with a capacity of about 200 kilowatts. The battery energy storage system will allow us to remove that cap, will allow you to be able to install additional PV here in Bequia. We anticipate that the capacity that will be installed would accommodate up to 6 to 7 times the capacity that is there, that is there now.
Social impact assessment is significant in any development project because it allows the stakeholders to feed into the project. And you'll have heard Mr. Chris talking about being at stage 3, where they're now designing. Well, the design will be impacted or influenced by the information that I obtained from you and others during this stakeholder consultation we had before, and during the site visits and the assessments that were done to fulfill the obligations of the environmental and social impact assessment. So in that environmental and social impact assessment, we gather data that we're providing that will influence the decision that they're making in step 3 of the project. Okay?
When there's a fault or a generator problem, the impact of that is felt more on a smaller island. You have a wider outage or sometimes a complete outage. We are hoping, well, we know that the new power station should help to not only provide power for this current generation and future generation beyond us, but we are looking to improve the level of service and to offer our customers the ability to participate more in the power generation through the battery storage. So it's very important for us, and we are happy to have the opportunity to speak to you and to get your feedback, because at the end of the day, we are all custodians of the system, and it's very important that it works well for all of us. And as our communication officer says, we will continue to make sure that we engage you and to do this in a way that is as harmless as possible, because a construction activity always brings a certain level of fear. But we are confident that with the assistance of our consultants, we will do our best to give you a high quality product that will benefit all of us.